Hey friends, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Terry, also known as the Inspire Planner, and today I am going to be using stencils, some scraps from one of our Create, Organize, and Plan kits in my journal to do a really cool layout. If you'd like to learn more, stay tuned. Hey everybody, okay, so today I thought it would be fun to share the stencils that we have available. This is just a few of them. For those of you that have never used stencils, I completely understand. I just started using stencils in my journal a couple of months ago, and I have really grown to like them. So let me go ahead and open this up to our next blank page. I'm gonna go ahead and take the clip off of here. And I think what we'll do today is a weekly layout with them. I've seen some really cool designs and I've been kind of itching to try one of them. One of the stencils that we have, it does have this really cool like calendar layout on there. So I know that I want to do like a calendar either at the top or maybe at the bottom corner. I thought would be a fun place to put it, and then have like the date coming out here, and then do some type of like a weekly spread and a weekly layout. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to start with a lighter color. So I'm going to start with this light green because I can compensate for any mistakes that I might make. I am not one that likes to pencil things in and then go back and fill it in. I just like to let the creative process kind of take on its shape and form and then just kind of go from there. So what I thought would be fun would be to have a section along the top where I can put the date in. This is just going to be kind of like a different little layout, but really because I wanted to play with the stencils today. So I'm going to go ahead and start with the calendar. I do like that little wavy line. I will make these brighter so that you can see them, but I really wanted to do it in a lighter color, like I said, just in case I do mess it up, and that way I can kind of compensate for it. But I'll go back in and give this a little bit of a highlight. But there is the squiggly line. That looks super cute. Okay, so we're going to put the banner up here with the date. We've got our calendar down here. So all I need to do now is draw out the columns. I am going to use the long straight edge of the stencil to draw my line. So I'm going to go ahead and draw this first one here all the way down. Let me turn it this way so it'll be a little easier for me to do this. Decorative paper down, and I'm going to go ahead and cut a little piece of this so that I can do a layered ripped effect. Whoops. Because I know I don't need a whole big area of it, but I need enough that, and I can put a little sticker right there. So that will be fine. Okay, let's go ahead and rip this. Does anybody else like the sound of paper ripping? I do. I definitely do. All right, I normally would put a ton of adhesive, but these are kind of smaller, so I'm just gonna go back and highlight the areas that might need a little bit more. All right, and then we're gonna go ahead and just push this down right where I think it should be, like that. And then we'll go ahead and add this one on top using the alternate side so that we've got that color contrast. And I'm going to put my stickers under here because I feel like this one's really close to the corner, or to the edge rather. All right, let's go ahead and corner around these. Perfect. Okay. Now, I've got my boxes drawn in here, which is fine. I do have this little bit of something happening up there. So I'm just going to go ahead and add a cute little purse right here. And that's just going to kind of cover up that little mistake in my line drawing. So far, so good. I think that I'm going to go ahead and actually go back over my calendar and make it pink now that I know that I want it to stay there. So I need an extra box because I use these for the days of the week going across the top, which is fine. So I'm just going to add an extra box down here at the very bottom and hope that I'm actually going to do it this way and hope that it looks okay. It's going to kind of be hanging off the page, but that's okay. It's not awful. March has 31 days. That got a little tricky, like I said, because I decided to add the days of the week at the top. Had I not done that, it would have fit perfectly. This is the fun part about stencils. You have lots of options. I'm going to do those and make it look a little more uniform. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and do these in solid pink. I'm going to leave those lines in green. We got our days of the week in here. I want to do something with, so I can put the number of the week in here. And I think, let me see. I think I want to do like this little honeycomb. And I am going to do that in this blue color. And what I'm going to do is just go line it up so that it's lined up with the bottom of the box. And I'm just going to draw them all in. And then I'll go back and add the date of the day. Wednesday is a tricky one. I'll have to remember that for the future. Probably not the best idea to... Oh, that wasn't awful. Probably not the best idea to do that like I did. Right in the middle, like that. All right, that doesn't look too bad. And I am going to schedule this for next week, so that we're going to start on the 17th. All right, that's looking pretty good. All right, now all I need to do is put a little something along the top here. I know that I'm going to use some more of these stickers along the top as well. So what I'm going to do is find that banner and, oh, it's over here. And we are going to do something super cute where it's kind of like going off the page like this, and then it comes back down like this. I just have to decide what I want it to say, because we've got our calendar down here. I think I am gonna do, what if we do good vibes? Good vibes? Good vibes. Or we could do, we're gonna do You Got This. And I got that from right here, just because I think that that would be kind of cute. So we're going to do You Got This. So we're going to do 3 different banners actually. So I'm going to start, we're going to do You Got, and then this will be on this side. So I'm going to start here. Now I'm going to outline all of these blocks in black as well. And I am purposely not setting them up exactly the same so that we've got that 3D color effect going on again. I really did like that from down at the bottom. I think it makes things pop a little bit, and it's always nice to have a little bit of black in your design, especially according to like the design experts. So whether that's like just black pen or some type of an ink, or if you have color blocks, something like that. Okay, oh, that looks good. All right, now, next thing I'm gonna do is take this black marker and make loops so it looks like our banner is attached to the string. And I'm literally just kind of making like half of the number 8s and just kind of putting them over top the string so that it's connecting them across. Or they kind of look like rabbit ears. Since it's almost Easter, you could call them rabbit ears as well. All right, and I'm gonna write in the blocks with my black marker. So you got this. I like how this is turning out. All right, so now we're going to put some stickers up here. I am going to do the green one in the middle. Now, here's a trick if you want to put something in the middle and it's going to be closing. Put it on one half first and then let it fall into place, and then put the crease in the sticker and then just bend it really quickly and it will stay. If you try to just lay it on top, sometimes it'll peel up. So just do half of it, make your crease, and then put the other half there as well. And actually, I don't think I need any on the sides because I think that might get to looking a little too busy. So we're gonna stick with just that one, I think. And I think we are all finished. The only thing I want to do to this that I haven't done yet, and I'm gonna do it in the green, is I'm gonna highlight the week that is down here that we are actually in. And so I'm just gonna color the boxes over in the green so that they pop out a little bit. And there we have it. Let's go ahead and pull this in just a little bit so you can see. So this is our weekly spread in a portrait style layout. So you can use this for appointments. You could use this for gratitude. I will be using this for gratitude. So this will be my gratitude layout for next week. I could put gratitude up here. I might, or I might just not. I haven't quite decided 100%. So I think I'm going to leave it as it is. But thank you guys so much for joining me. I hope that you enjoyed learning a little bit more about stenciling if this was your first time. If not, then I hope I inspired you to take out your stencils and some markers and make a layout for yourself today. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you know somebody else that would enjoy this, please share this with them also. Thanks so much for joining me, friends, and have a great day.